Americans spent $27 billion on toys last year and $33 billion on computers. Americans also spent a whopping $43 billion on sneakers. But what you may not know is that in the US, individual consumers spend $60 billion on auto parts alone. The $60 billion isn't being spent by mechanics. Shops aren't spending all this money either. Not dealers. Individual consumers are spending $60 billion a year on auto parts. 1 out of 5 Americans do automotive DIY. But DIY in the auto repair space has a unique challenge. It's tough to figure out what part you need and difficult to find. And when you finally ID the right part, prices are all over the place. Now, people assume that the internet forces price transparency. This is not true, and here's an example. The same alternator, 2 different online stores, 2 different price points, with 2 different warranties, and 2 different delivery times. This complexity only grows when you compare more than 2 stores. The search for parts is tedious, time-consuming, and quite frankly, soul-sucking. It takes all of the fun out of these passion projects. In fact, there are many DIYers that say it takes them longer to find the right part and for the right price than it takes them to get the job done on the vehicle itself. But we're here to change that. AutoDo-It is the only one-stop shop e-commerce platform to solve these problems. AutoDo-It's Part Spotter was built to solve the biggest DIYer pain point, shopping for the right part at the right price when they need it. We earn up to 12% from every transaction we source through our Part Spotter by referring users to online stores to complete their purchases. By doing so, we also avoid owning inventory and payment liabilities. Another distinct advantage that we have over other players is that we know where to find DIYers because we're already embedded in these communities. We feel their pain and speak their language. In fact, we designed our platform with communities in mind and built automotive-specific capabilities into it. DIYers are finally able to make informed decisions based on feedback from other community members, instead of being guided by a biased salesperson. And we have a great story to tell them because our platform works. Our early adopters report that we can save, on average, 45 minutes on a typical search and upwards of 50% on their parts purchases. Our platform has been engineered by a team of hardcore DIYers, auto enthusiasts, and technologists. Ivan, my co-founder, has been a hardcore automotive DIYer for over 15 years, where he has been deeply embedded within DIY communities. Ivan has also been working for over a decade in technology, including leading AI product initiatives. And I am Yuval, co-founder and CEO. I am a DIYer and have also led product organizations, building big data, analytical, and automotive-specific solutions. AutoDo-It provides the only seamless price transparency solution built specifically to address the $60 billion automotive DIY market. And we are the only ones that are focused on that. We are out in the market. We have the experience. Come talk to us. Thank you.